What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem here. So in this video I'm going to take a look at this Nelko portable printer right here. So this is a portable label maker which come in this package. So I'm going to test it out, let you guys see what come inside and how it actually works. In the package, as you can see, it come in this little case right here, and this is how it looks. The packaging of this is really nice. So inside we have some user manual. We can scan for the Bluetooth app, as you can see right there. Also some user manual that you can go through, show you guys how to operate it. Also in the package we have the printer itself, and also we have a USB Type-C cable as well. I think that nothing much in this package. So, and that's really it for the unboxing. Wow, it's quite bigger than what I expect. When I was see it online, it didn't look that big to me. So this is how it look. So you can see the top part right here. You can see part right here that you can lock. As you can see, you can open it. You can see that we have a paper inside. Right here we use to cut it. Underneath here we can use to charge it. So once you have to connect it up on your phone for it to work, and you can scan right here or use the user manual to scan it, download it up, and then you can just use it onto your phone to print like labels. Now the main reason why I bought this is because I wanted to print to organize most of my stuff, like my battery, my camera battery. I want to label them because sometimes I might happen to use like the same battery over and over, or sometimes I want to label some of my stuff like my gears. And so this product right here is very portable. This thing right here can even hold inside your pocket and carry around anywhere you want it to go. And it also inkless, so you don't have to worry about buying any ink for this device right here, because this device, guys, is inkless. Does use any ink. It can connect up to your phone very easily from the app. So it's just really amazing to have this small little printing device right here, right in your palm or in your pocket, just to go around and just print some labels that you can slap onto any one of your product that you want to slap it onto, or anything that inside your home. And it's very, only thing that you worry about, guys, is charge it. So once it's run out of charging, you can charge it here via the cable, which is USB Type-C, which plug into the bottom right here, as you can see. Now to turn on this right here, there's a little button right here, as you can see, a little button. Once you turn it on, just press it like so and hold. As you can see, when it's on, it have a little light which is blinking. So right now it's showing a red light on it right there. So once app is coming up, I'm gonna see what else this thing has to offer. But this is not limited to the amount of things that you can use to label. You can label things like in the kitchen, like your sugar pan, your salt and flour and those things. So this is very useful even in the tech space and even for your home supply as well. So if you're a person who, you know, doing some home duties, this will work great as well in those areas. So what I personally use it for is to label most of my gears, as I said earlier on, like my battery and stuff like that. So I'm going to test it out right now, let you guys see how it basically works. Alright, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to scan it with the app on my phone. So the app should be somewhere on the user manual right here. So if you have an Android or a Apple device, it will still work. You can just scan it, hook it up via Bluetooth, and just ready to go. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to try and find the code on this card right here to download the app. Yes guys, so I've scanned the app on my phone and now it is being downloaded from the App Store. Alright guys, so I'm going to test this out right now. I already connected it up to my phone right here. Now what I'm going to do, I might show you guys how to set it up in another video, but for this video, shout out to Garden with Stacy. She just commented one of my posts. I'm just gonna shout out how as I'm just creating this video right here. But anyway, so I'm going to show you guys some of the template that we can choose from. So you just can choose any one of these template I want to write it, just to give you guys an idea of how the user face look like. So you can choose any of these template, as you can see, and right here. So you can choose like for Happy Mother's Day, such and such. As you guys can see, you can browse around. You can print like addresses. There's nothing in there right now, so you can put in your own. Just to spice it up, different template in which you can choose from. Name, you can see right there, a lot of different things that you can write. And each of these guys, you can like customize it to your liking. So if you don't want to use anything right here, you can customize it. Also the sizes and so forth. So I'm gonna choose one that I'm going to use. So let's see what them have right here. Drinks, those things, cakes. So I'm going to just print one of these so you guys can have an idea. As you can see, you can print the amount of copies. So right here I have like 1 copy selected. You can select like for pictures or for text. Some of text right here. So I'm just going to print it right now, let you guys see. Just click on print. It will just automatically print on there, so you guys can see. So to take it out, we will cut it right here, scissors. So you just slide this up like so until cut, and this is how it look right here, guys. So you can see I print drinks. So we can just peel off this part right here, and now we can just slap this label onto anything, any of our product. And now we have our sticker right there, really neat. So we can adjust these texts for anything that we want, like bigger, print labels, rice, salt, anything that in home that we want to print right here. And this is how it looks, very neat. So I'm gonna try and print one more, let you guys see how I customize that. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna take off these strings right here because I don't want this. So let's say I want to delete this part right here. Let's say I want to change this to battery pack, battery 1. So I'm gonna take off these drinks. Don't want that to be on the paper, so I'm gonna try and delete that. Put up this part right here. Then I'm gonna change the size to make it bigger. And if I want, I can just leave the label on it, make it full. Right there, you can see. Then I'm going to print this right now onto this right here, let you guys see. So I'm going to print. And cut. And see it right there, guys. I have my label now that I can put on my battery. So let's say I'm going to label this battery right here. Let's peel off this part, and I can just put this onto my battery right here. Just to label it, very neat. So now, guys, you can see I have this now on my product, so I can use to label most of the things that I wanted to label. So very neat. And this is the product right here, Nelko portable printer, and it's very neat, and it's something that I will use and recommend. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys find this video very helpful. See you guys for next video. Peace out.